Legit ulit.
Nano Babo ako, Belen. Welcome to Westerways, Pampanga.
So for today's vlog, another discovery ang pupuntahan natin dito sa may Hensonville, Angeles City. And this one is Karancho.
So ayun guys, may surprise po kami sa inyo. So go check this video. Samahan niyo po kami.
So tara,
Let's go! Alright, so yun guys, yung table natin is actually almost ready. And almost served na rin yung mga dishes natin. But to give you an idea, quick look kung ano yung itsura ng table natin. Ayun, no? Ang dami na, di ba? So I've heard may hinanda pa silang mga steaks and lechon.
So, they are unlimited naman.
Unlimited yun, guys. Two of the dishes that you really look forward to makita dito sa vlog po natin. So, ayun guys, welcome to Karancho. And we're gonna, you know, chill and of course, celebrate yung food po dito. Ayun nga guys, this is our table. So, once again, thank you so much Karancho for inviting us at saka napaka-generous po nila na host para sa video na to, bro.
Yes, actually ngayon talagang mabubusog tayo sa mga papakita namin sa inyo. Especially nag-o-offer sila ng unlimited steak.
Yes. So para po malaman ninyo kung ano yung mga dishes na sinerve nila sa atin, pangalanan natin, brother.
Yeah, so on my side, syempre meron tayo dito yung kanilang dinakdakan, salted egg shrimp, yung kanilang pinakbet, chop suey, and syempre yung kanilang sisig.
Sisig. So, moving forward naman guys, meron tayo ditong bulalo. Ayan, meron din tayo ditong kare-kare. And then meron din tayo dito beef broccoli.
Yes.
This one is salt and pepper spare ribs. At isa sa mga unlimited na pwede nyo pong matikman dito is yung kanilang steak.
Unlimited steak. And take note, yung steak, may kasama pa siyang
Side dishes.
side dishes doon.
Actually, hindi
Unlimited.
Oo, no?
Meron tayong chicken, pasta, and salad.
Yes. Anyway, so we won't bore you long, guys. And again, thanks so much, Karancho. Kain na tayo?
Tingnan na natin.
Let's get it on. Actually, Mark, nabalitaan ko, they just recently opened.
Yes.
No? And then, ang initial na intention nila is for this place to be a resto bar.
Yes.
And then, ang previously opening nila is 5 p.m. up until 2 a.m. Correct? Alright? Then, makikita nyo dito, guys, yung talagang pinaka-area natin dito. Is suitable talaga siya for mag-gimikan, no? May konting inuman dyan.
Actually, meron nga silang mga DJs dito. At the same time, itong place na to, talagang masarap siyang pang-chill ngayon.
Yes. We were invited to let you know, guys, magbubukas na po sila starting at 10 a.m.
Yes.
Dito natin din na-announce na yung kanilang unlimited steak
Yes.
available po dito.
It's only for 750 pesos per head.
Yes.
Unlimited steak at the same time, unlimited na rin yung mga side dishes.
Exactly.
The unlimited steak is from 10 a.m. hanggang 5 p.m. lang sila. Kung na-cut off naman kayo, available naman yung mga ibang dishes nila.
Yeah. Which is, yun nga, yung mga sinaserve nila sa atin dito ngayon.
So you could play here, have a drink,
Yes.
and play with your barkadas ng billiards, then chill na kayo all the way.
Ingat.
Legit ulit.
Yun, Mark, kanina natikman natin yung kanilang unlimited lechon. Grabe, kararating pa lang. Sobrang init pa nung natikman natin, bro.
And tayo yung nag-cut, no?
Yes.
So, siyempre, nauna tayo, and natikman naman natin na napaka-solid yung kanilang lechon. And to give you an idea, if you want to have an unlimited lechon here dito sa may Karancho, and that's only for 450 pesos.
Grabe naman yun. There you have it, guys. Another place for you to check out. Grabe yung discovery natin for today's video, no, brother?
Unlimited lechon, unlimited steak, and syempre, unlimited enjoyment.
Unlimited, ang grabe naman yan. So, and guys, if you're interested to know more about this, go check out the fan page we're gonna be including in this post.
Yeah, so that's it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hope to see you on our next video.
Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Cheers,
Peace
bro.
out.